Greetings everyone. My name is Lydia. Today we will learn about joints and muscle contraction. Learning outcome. Students will learn about movable joints, immovable joint. Muscle contraction helps in movement. So let's begin. What are joints?
The place where two or more bones join together is called a joint. We can bend our body around the joints. Example, knee, elbow, wrist, etc. There are two kinds of joints. First is fixed and movable joint. Fixed joint, as the name suggests, are fixed and cannot move, like skull, which is a immovable joint. Now, movable joint are the joints that can move in all the directions. Let us now see the various movable joints. Ball and socket joint. It allows the maximum movement. The round end of one bone fixes into the hollow part of another bone. Hence, as the name suggests, ball and socket joint, hip joint and shoulder joint are the example of ball and socket joint. Next is hinge joint, which works like a door on the hinge. It enables movement only in one direction. Knees, elbows, fingers, toes have hinge joint. Next we have pivot joint. Bone has a projection which fixes into a ring-like ligament of another bone. It allows for movement in many ways. The head that can be moved side to side, up and down, backward and forward. The skull moves around. So this is the example of pivot joint. Next we have gliding joint. This is also a one kind of joint. These are the bones that slide together and allow for limited movement. It allows our back to bend and twist and turn at each joint, like vertebra of a backbone, wrist and ankle. Just imagine what would happen if your backbone was made up of just one long bone. It would have make us stiff like a scarecrow. So children, we saw various type of bones, that is fixed and movable bones. In movable bones we have ball and socket, hinge, pivot and gliding joint. Now, have you ever thought how they are joined together? Is there any kind of glue that is used to stick them? No. There is a tissue that joins one bone to another, and that tissues are known as ligaments. So this was all about joints in our body. Muscle contraction move bones. Muscles is the fibrous tissue of the body that has the ability to contract when a muscle contracts. Now, as we know, muscles are attached to the bones of a skeleton. Muscles contraction pull in one direction, due to which the bone moves at the joint. A muscle can only pull the bone, cannot push the bone. So, another muscle attached to the same bone as the contract is in opposite direction. Thus, a pair of muscles work together to move a bone. When one muscle of a pair contracts, then the other muscle pair is stretches. So, movement or locomotion, muscle contraction and stretching. Bending and straightening of arm. Our arm consists of two parts, upper arm and lower arm, which are joined at the elbow. The upper arm has one bone. The top end of upper arm is joined to shoulder by ball and socket joint. The lower arm has two bones. The upper arm bone has a pair of muscles called the biceps and triceps. The upper end of muscles is attached to a fixed bones called shoulder blade by tendons. The lower end of both the muscles are attached to the lower end of lower arm by tendons. Now let's see how biceps and triceps moves the arm. When we want to bend the arm, the bicep muscles contracts. The contraction of bicep muscles pulls the lower arm bone, due to which the lower arm goes up. Bicep muscles are also called flexor muscles because it flexes the arm. When bicep muscles contracts and bend, the triceps muscle stretches and relaxes. Similarly, when we want to straighten the arm, tricep muscles contracts. The contraction of tricep muscles pulls the lower arm at the end, due to which the lower arm moves out and straightens. Tricep muscles are also called as extensor muscles.
So we studied that where two bones meet together is called as joints. There are two types of joints, movable joints and immovable joint. Movable joints are not fixed, immovable joints are fixed. There are four types of movable joints: ball and socket joint, hinge joint, pivot joint and gliding joint. Then we also learned that muscle contraction helps in movement of bones in a body. We have some multiple choice questions. Where do two or more bones meet? Which of the following joint does not allow any movement? Elbow joint is an example of. What do muscles help your body do? Which part of your body connects muscles to bones? So that is all. I hope you have understood the concept. Thank you.